Hey everyone, Zero here. Today I'm on my alt account to bring you another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get the legendary Aura Trio, which is Xerneas, Yveltal, and Zygarde before Conquest. After we catch those legendary trio, I'm also going to show you how to make Zygarde go into 100% form. And that's all, let's begin! First thing we want to do to catch the Aura Trio is to fly towards Rosecove City. Once we are at Rosecove City, we just want to start going towards Route 9. And once at Route 9, we want to talk to this NPC in blue here. He's just right in front of the tree and he will talk to us about life, death in order, and this is basically about the history of the Aura Trio in this game. And after some dialogue, he will be giving us the secret key, which we will use in Antian City. After getting the secret key, just click your Pokemon party and then fly to Antian City. Once at Antian City, we just need to go to the district where the Pokeball shop is located. And we just need to go to the right here and down towards the sewers, just like that. Now that we are in the sewers, I would recommend using a repel just to avoid any encounters. But anyways, we need to start going here to the right just to talk to this NPC here that's looking at the crazy guy in front of the glass. He will basically tell us that his coworker has gone insane after being exposed to Yveltal's death energy. So since we have the secret key, he will be lowering the window for us so that we can go ahead and enter the lab where Yveltal is at, so that we can go ahead and catch it. Once we are inside Yveltal's lab, we just need to go straight here and make sure to save right before you hit the red water, since this is where Yveltal's cutscene is going to begin. As you can see here, after some dialogue, Yveltal's animation of him flying will be seen here at the center of the screen. And now you can go ahead and catch Yveltal. After catching Yveltal, he will then be found roaming in the wild, meaning you can catch it again in the wild in the future. And since I'm unable to exit this area here due to this ledge here, I'm going to click Void Unstuck so that I can get teleported back to Chesma Town, and I will just fly back to Rosecove City here so that we can talk to the NPC again in front of the tree. So now that we are in Route 9, we just want to talk to this NPC again. And this time, it's to catch Xerneas. After some dialogue, he will allow us to go inside the Yggdrasil tree so that we can encounter Xerneas and catch it. Once inside Xerneas' tree, we just need to save here in case we accidentally defeat Xerneas, so that we can rejoin and redo the process. As you can see, after heading straight in, Xerneas will emerge from its cocoon and you can go ahead and challenge it to a battle. And after catching Xerneas, the next thing we need to do is to exit the Yggdrasil tree to talk to the NPC out front of the tree again to tell him that we have defeated Xerneas in battle. And he will tell us since we have Xerneas and Yveltal both awakened, we will now be able to catch Xerneas, but first we need to go to Rosecove Beach to talk to the scientist there. So now we just need to fly over to Rosecove City. And once we are at Rose Cove City, we just want to walk towards the beach here. And to the left, there is an entrance beneath the bridge. You just need to keep going straight. And this white bus looking thing is the lab here that we need to enter. Once inside, we need to talk to the scientist here, who's saying that he's been conducting a study on this cell here inside the machine, which is known to be a cell of Zygarde. And since we are on a quest to find Zygarde, he will be telling us to go to Glistering Grotto, where Zygarde resides, so that we can go ahead and catch it. Once exiting the lab, we need to fly over to Brimbur City. And for this part of the process, make sure that you have Rock Smash in your party or a Pokemon that knows Rock Smash, and then go to Route 5 here. Now that we are in Route 5, we just need to follow where I'm going if you're unfamiliar with where Glistering Grotto is located. We just want to Rock Smash this rock here at the opposite side of the waterfall, and just need to keep going straight, just past here and inside the cave. Now that we are in Glistering Grotto, we just need to keep going straight, and if you follow me to where I'm going here, just inside this cave here with the green crystals, you also can go ahead and encounter Zygarde, but make sure to save beforehand in case that you do defeat it in battle. Now that we have caught Zygarde, we need to return back to Rose Cove Beach to inform the scientist that we have caught Zygarde. But do keep in mind that you do need Zygarde in your party for the next step of the process, so make sure to get it out of your PC if it's transported to the PC. Now that I have Zygarde in my party, I'm going to head towards the lab here and interact with the scientist again. After interacting with the scientist, he will tell us that we have only caught the 10% form, which is true as you saw that it was only the dog version. And he will give us the cell in the machine so that we can upgrade our Zygarde to 50% form. The next thing we need to do is to exit the lab here and collect 3 of its cells, with the first being located just behind the lab here. So you just need to click this cell here and now you have 1 obtained. The next one is located at Route 9. You just need to follow where I'm going. And you only need to collect 3 of the cells here in this game to actually get Zygarde to his full form. Once you are at Route 9, we just want to start going left here. And just under the bridge, there is the Zygarde cell that we need. Now that we have 2 of the cells, you just need to click your party again and click fly, since the 3rd cell is located at Glistering Grotto. So we need to fly back to Brimbur City and make our way back to Glistering Grotto. At Glistering Grotto, you just need to follow where I'm going. And as you can see, the cell is just right up there. And let me just find a way to go up there. Okay, not here. So you just need to go up this side. And you just need to click the cell. Now a pop-up will appear that you can now upgrade your Zygarde and that he has entered its complete form. So if you click the summary of Zygarde, you can see that his ability is now Power Construct, which means that at 50% health in battle, he would turn into his full form. And that's all for today's video, guys. Again, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, like, and click that little bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And that is all for today. Peace.